Hey guys, I'm Raghav Goyal, here presenting my term project for CMU's most infamous course, 15112. My project is called Kinect AirDraw. With the Microsoft Kinect version 2 and the Kinect's new SDK 2.0, my project implements the Kinect's body and hand tracking abilities to draw on a virtual canvas. Let's talk about the developing environment. Since I'm using the Microsoft Kinect, I must use Microsoft Visual Studio in order to develop my project. I'm using WPF as my framework. WPF consists of two components. One's an XAML file, which holds the code for drawing the window itself, along with all the images and text boxes inside. And the second component is a C# logic file, which contains all the logic that controls the images and buttons on the window. Now let's actually start the program. As you can see, a full screen window pops up. Right now the Kinect cannot detect anyone, and so it displays this error message. But as soon as I step back, it displays a start screen. It tracks both my left hand and my right hand. It takes a 3D point of my hand and converts it to a canvas point, which it then draws on the 2D canvas. Right now you have the option to select between either drawing with your left hand or your right hand. The circles change color based on the hand states. If my hand is closed, the circle is red, and if my hand is pointing, it's blue. And if you cannot track my hand right now, since it's behind my back, the circle is gray. This is how the Kinect distinguishes between the hand states, and this is what you have at your disposal to control the program. Now let's select the right hand and start. As you can see, there's a crosshair on my right hand because that's the hand I choose to draw with. My other hand is the option selector. You can also see that if I move closer to the Kinect, circles grow bigger. The circles actually correspond to drawing thickness, and so if you move closer, you will draw thicker. If you move further away, your drawing will be thinner. You can dynamically change the width of your drawing simply by moving your hand back and forth. Now let's actually draw something. Over here, I use my non-drawing hand, and I close my hand at the draw button, which selects the draw option. Now I can use my drawing hand to draw whatever I want by closing it. Now let's do some more advanced drawing on this canvas. There is a change color button that now allows you to dynamically change the color using your drawing hand in 3D space. When I close my drawing hand and move it around in 3D space, I can change the RGB values of the chosen color. For example, if I go all the way to my right, all the way forward, I get a nice red. But if I go all the way back, it's more blue. Likewise, if I go downwards, it's more green. And so you can change the individual RGB values of the chosen color, giving the user total control over what color they want to pick in a very interactive way. In addition, you can also draw a rectangle using the rectangle button. This is a simple click and drag feature, making it really easy for the user to just click and drag a rectangle and let it go on the canvas. Likewise, let's change colors first. Pick color. Red. You can also draw an ellipse with the same click and drag feature. Additionally, there's a color draw feature that allows you to dynamically change the color while also drawing at the same time. If you choose the color draw feature and draw just like you normally would, you can see that as my hand changes positions, it also changes color. This can make for some very creative art from the users. As always, I can erase just by pointing my drawing finger. my drawing hand. And if I were going to clear my canvas, I could simply go down and clear it. Some additional features include the ability to switch drawing hands if the user chooses, simply with this switch hands button. Now my left hand is my drawing hand, while my right hand is the option selector. You can also save your images as well as load images from your computer. Now let's draw something that we can save. I'm going to choose Color Draw. Awesome. Alright, now let's save this image. All you have to do is simply click Save, and your file has been saved. Once you have saved a file, you can also load an image. Let's clear this canvas and load this image back up. All you have to do is click on Load, and a window pops up that you can control with your mouse and open. And simply click Open.